Hello my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome you again to my another video. In this video I am going to show you the Dighi of Divur. As you know, the people of our locality, as a people of our locality, you know that Divur Dighi is very special to us because at the time of Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and the Durga Puja, people from everywhere come to visit this place. This Dighi has something special that if you come here, then you will be able to understand this. You can see a pillar in the middle of this Dighi. It is a very ancient Dighi in our locality, and this pillar is made of stone, and it is very special because from the both side of this Dighi, you think that this is in the middle of a Dighi, and if you stand in one side of this Dighi, then it will be closer to you. But if you stand another part of this Dighi, then that pillar will seem to you as that is closer from that side to you. And if you again come to the other part of this Dighi, then it will also be seems to be that this pillar is closer to you. So it is its speciality. If you came here, then you will be able to understand what is this and what is and how we can feel it and how we can know it, these things. I hope everybody of our locality and the other part of this locality of this area and other parts of this of our country will come to visit this Dighi, because this Dighi is very special and it has some speciality. Thank you very much. Thank you all again. Thank you.